Hello friends, welcome to RS Home Tutor. We are in the quadratic equations, solving the question number 9 in 5.3. The question is given in this way: two water taps are together can fill the tank in 9 3 by 8 hours. The tap of the larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank respectively. Find the time in which tap can separately fill the tank. So this is the question. So let's see the question. Here in the question we noted that here he is talking about two taps. So one is in smaller diameter and other one is the larger diameter. Let us suppose tap 1 I am taking it as a smaller diameter and tap 2 I am taking it as a larger diameter. So in the first scenario he already clearly mentioned that the smaller tap is taking some hours. So assume that I am taking it as X hours. For tap 1 it takes X hour to fill the tank. Tap 2 which is having a larger diameter, he has clearly given that 10 hours less than the smaller one. So tap 2 taking the time X minus 10. And he has given one more information that tap 1 and tap 2 both the fills in the together fills in 9 3 by 8 hours. So this is the information he has given. This is the first step you have to understand that. So now we'll start. Let us assume that let the tap 1 means smaller diameter, he is taking time to fill. I am taking it as X hours. Next, tap 2. So larger diameter taking the time to fill the same tank X minus 10 hours. So X minus 10 hours. Next, together taking the time to fill the tank. You can write it as it says a tank. Is how many hours? 9 3 by 8 hours. So which I have represented the diagrammatically, just I wrote in the words here. I did not do anything, just I convert into the words. Now here this is very important. Time taking for fill the tank in 1 hour. In 1 hour how much portion takes? Time taking for fill the tank in 1 hour. So how much tap 1 takes? Tap 1 takes the time in 1 by X. Tap 2 time taking for the tank filling in 1 hour is how much? Tap 2 is 1 by X minus 10, and together it takes time in 1 hour is nothing but 1 by 9 3 by 8. This is very important step. Everything I converted into 1 hour. So suppose one tap is taking 8 hours to fill the tank. In 1 hour, how much portion it fills? 1 by 8. 1 by 8. For example, tap 2. Tap 2 taking 12 hours to fill the tank. In 1 hour, how much it fills? 1 by 12. So this is very important. Converse the relation. How we are writing this as 1 by x and 1 by x minus 10 and 1 by 9 3 by 8. So I converted into 1 hour. 1 hour portion is how much? Next. So next we'll do it. If I simplify this, 1 by, so 9 3 by 8. What is the value of 9 3 by 8? 8 9s are 72. 72 plus 3, 75 by 8. 75 by 8. If I write this as 8 by 75. It's a reciprocal. 1 by 72 by 8. So reciprocal is how much? 8 by 72 hour. This is the portion in 1 hour it takes. In 1 hour both it will fill this much portion. So according to the sum, according to the problem, so tap 1, according to the problem, tap 1 is 1 hour portion and tap 2 1 hour portion is same as both the things. So both the taps will cover this much of fractions in 1 hour. The simple equation, tap 1's 1 hour portion, tap 2's 1 hour portion, how much quantity it is filling is same as together will fill in 1 hour's portion. So by this we are getting the equation. So if I simplify this, what is the LCM you will get? X into x minus 10. If you cross multiply this, it will go that side and this will come to the numerator. So x minus 10 plus x is equal to 8 by 75. So further simplification I am doing it here. So x plus x, that is 2x. 2x by 2x minus 10 by x into x and x into 10. X square minus 10x is equal to 8 by 75. So further cross multiply it. 75 2s are 150x minus 750 is equal to 8 into x square, 8x square, and 8 into 10, 80x. If all these terms, if I take to that side, we are getting 0 is equal to 8x square minus 230x. 150 becomes minus 150, 150 and 80, 230. Minus 750 becomes plus 750. So this is the quadratic equation, we got it. If you solve this quadratic equation, you will get the value of x. So this is about the sum. So we'll move. So what is the solution of this? 8 into 750. You will get as 60,000. 6,000. So what are the factors for 6,000? We will have many factors. I will write the conditions. The product should be 6,000 and the sum should be 230. So the middle term, that is x coefficient, that is how much? Minus 230. So minus 230. So try for all the factors, but ultimately you will get only one thing, that 230 the product is 6000. If I take both minus into minus plus, and 230 is 6000. Yes, the first condition is okay. So the second condition, minus 200 and minus 30, so 230. So these are the pair of factors will satisfy the given quadratic equation. So I will reuse this one. If I reuse, what I will get? 8x square minus 230x plus 750 is equal to 0. So middle term we can split in this way, 8x square and 750 is equal to 0. So the middle term I am using, these are the factors. So minus 200 minus 30x. So in the both the first two terms I can take 8x common. If I take 8x, x is left out, and 25 is up. 825 is 100, 200. In the last two terms I can take 30 is the common. So x minus 25 is equal to 0. You can cross check further. 8x into x, 8x square, 8x into 25, 200x, 30 into x, 30x, 30 into 25, 750. So you will get the same thing. So what is a common portion to take out? Both the terms having x minus 25, so I can take out. So if I take out x minus 25, so the left out things are 8x from the first term and minus 30 from the second term, that is equal to 0. If AB is equal to 0, A is equal to 0 as well as B is equal to 0. So x minus 25 is equal to 0, or 8x minus 30 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 25, or here you are getting 30 by x, 30 by 8. Now in these two solutions we can discard this. We can discard this fraction. Why? Because of the second tab is taking 10 hours less than that, but this value is less than 10 hours. How it takes less than 10 hours from this? So do you understand the point? The tab 1 is taking 30 by 8 hours. This is already less than 10. But in the question he has given that second tab is taking the 10 hours less time. So here the valued solution is 25 hours. So what is x value? We have taken x value as tab 1 taking the time to fill the tank is x, that is nothing but 25. Here I am writing this is 25 hours. So first tab is taking 25 hours, second tab is x minus 10. X minus 10 means 15 hours. So this is about the sum. First, assume that the first tab is taking x hours, second tab is taking x minus 10 hours, and together he has given already, that is 9 3 by 8. Each and every thing convert into the 1 hour's work. So 1 hour's work will be 1 by x and 1 by x minus 10 and 1 by 9 3 by 8. So you know that, so tab 1's 1 hour work plus tab 2's 1 hour work is same as both together is 1 hour work. So that's why we are equating these two equations. This is all about the sum. If you simplify this, you will get a quadratic equation. You solve the quadratic equation by these factors, then you will get the solution as x is equal to 25 and 15 hours. Thank you very much for watching this video. Like and subscribe and share to your friends. If you have any queries, please leave your comments and comment box. Thank you very much.